In this video, we're talking about ULTILAND token, legit or scam. Before buy this token, do your own research and let's get started. This is a Web3 protocol real-world asset, and this is cultured from visions and crypto. This is artwork, creative capital, circulations. So this token, guys, come with the artworks and your tokenized assets for a Web3 AI. And this is the website, guys. This is all the project art creations based on the arts and MainFi enabled price discover. This is a collab with this old platform, this stacks and bitlayers and coin 898 and Web3 Labs and BNB Chain. This is the price here, guys. You can purchase before the launch of this token. Just sign up from here. You can connect MetaMask, OKX, and all this platform wallet. The price of this token is $0.13, all-time high 0.28, total supply 42 million of this token, max supply 280 million of this token. The bonus is 82%. This token listed on popular exchange like Binance Alpha, BankX, Uniswap, V3. So this is all about this token listed here. I see some engage here on the community. This is also good insight and good indicator, maybe for the real project with and real world. So guys, this is about economics here. If I check the holders, is almost 11,000 member. Top 10 is 90%. So this is the transaction. I see a high volume of transaction. If I make this screenshot, I see you here. I see a lot of transaction here. So guys, before investing on this token, friends, do your own research. I give this token 7 on 10. You can buy this token from Binance. Just click buy here, but do your own research before buy. Thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon.